Same city, same neighborhood, same size. One single difference. Restaurant A installed a giant LED screen. Restaurant B did nothing. Tonight is the 2026 World Cup. In Restaurant A, the atmosphere is electric. Fans are arriving, tables are filling up, orders are flying, beers, burgers, pizzas, waiters are running. In Restaurant B, a few tables. Silence, passers-by glance in, and keep walking. A group of 10 friends walks down the street. They see both restaurants. One of them simply says, "Let's go where the match is on." 10 customers. Restaurant A. Restaurant B. Empty. Every match, every day, every week. Meanwhile, the owner of Restaurant B stares through his window and watches his competitor's terrace packed to capacity. The question is simple. Are your customers watching the matches at your place or at your competitors? PLP delivers a giant LED screen in 72 hours, 150 by 200 centimeters, 5,800 euros, 200 by 300 centimeters, 10,800 euros, 300 by 400 centimeters, 20,000 euros. A few extra drinks per day is enough to pay back your investment. 2026 World Cup. Get ready now. PLP, giant LED screens, 72-hour delivery. Be seen. Sell